Welcome back to the AI 102 exam-style Q&A series. Here's question 10. You have an Azure OpenAI service resource named OpenAI 1. You also have an Azure AI Search resource named Search 1. Search 1 contains two indexes, Index 1 and Index 2. Each index has its own indexer, and each indexer connects to a different data source. You plan to use the Use Your Own Data feature with OpenAI 1, and you must ensure that queries return information from both data sources in a single response. What should you do? Option A. Add skills to Index 1 and Index 2. Option B. Add an indexer to Index 1. Option C. Use the JSON editor to modify the data sources. Correct answer. Option B. Add an indexer to Index 1. Explanation. Azure OpenAI can query only one Azure AI Search index at a time. To return results from multiple data sources in a single response, all data must exist inside the same index. By adding an additional indexer to Index 1, you can ingest data from another data source into that same index. This allows Azure OpenAI to retrieve content from both sources using one unified query. Why the other options are incorrect? Option A. Add skills to Index 1 and Index 2. Skills enrich data, but they do not merge indexes. Azure OpenAI still cannot query two indexes at once. Option C. Use the JSON editor to modify the data sources. Editing data sources does not combine search results. Index structure determines what OpenAI can query. Exam tip: AI-102. When using Azure OpenAI with your own data, OpenAI queries one search index only. Multiple data sources require multiple indexes feeding one index. Always remember, one response equals one index. If you found this question helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more AI 102 exam-style Q&A sessions. See you in the next question.